Amalfi. It's the next day and we made it down to Positano today. It's quite the journey to get here, but we're here. It's beautiful as well. Everywhere here is beautiful, but look at the backdrop. Look at my man.
I wasn't ready.
And we're on our way to dinner now. I booked the restaurant like pretty far in advance. So that is a pro tip. Book your restaurants in Positano ahead of time. So to avoid lines. Honestly though, it doesn't look like there's too many people here yet. People say that the summer is way busier and it's like early May, so it's not too bad. We'll see.
No, tell the viewers what you think it is.
It's either underwater welding or mining. I don't know. It looks like a crane to fix stuff, but like.
Yeah, that's all it is.
But what are we fixing on the side of the ocean?
Well, there's cliffs and water. How are they supposed to fix this little area?
I mean, I don't see why you need to fix rock.
There's concrete right there.
Wow. Wow. We're doing a Positano boat tour today. We just stopped in Amalfi. We have like 3 hours here, so we're kind of doing some shopping. Anton's about to go look at this church. He told me I can be out of it. I'm just gonna stay out here and, I don't know, kill some time, and then probably gonna eat lunch here and continue on our boat tour. This is our lunch in Amalfi, this pizza and Coke with under 15 euros for our lunch. Not bad.
Delicious.
We're done with our boat tour. We made it back to our hotel and we're about to head to dinner. Got all ready.
Swimming was a lot of fun.
Swimming. Oh yeah, we went swimming. So the boat tour was really cool. We'll show videos, but at the end, Anton ended up jumping off a cliff.
40 feet.
40 feet. I filmed it on my iPhone, but I think I could insert it into this vlog because it was pretty far away. Anyways, boat tour was really nice. We do recommend. It was really fun. We stopped for 3 hours in Amalfi, walked around, had lunch, had ice cream, and came back here. Anyways, this place is so cute. Everything on every corner, I'm like, so cute, so cute. Let me take a photo. And I love it here. Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. Me too. Anton loves it here too.
I love that you love it. My bank account loves this. Yeah.
You know how I like it.
They will look different in every photo. So you never want to get
Oh my gosh, it's just coming apart. I know Anton wants some of my beef brisket.
Yeah, you could say that. I know you want some of my pasta.
Yeah! Look at that, it was coming apart, babe. Okay. Oh wait. It's not even getting onto my...
It's so soft it's not even sticking with the fork. It's aight? Or is it good?
It's better than the peach one. It's later on in the day. I didn't vlog much today just because we were at Da Fernando Beach Club all day, hanging out, chilling, honestly finally taking a break because every city we've been to, we've probably do 20,000 steps a day. So it was nice to kind of just get a break today, relax on the beach, and we're about to head to dinner at El Tridente restaurant. This is our view. I don't know if I showed our view, but how stunning is our balcony view. Sun's kind of already setting. We're having the latest dinner we've had here. I made reservations 3 days in a row for like 15 minutes later each day. So I don't know what time I like the most. Yesterday? Kinda. Today it's kind of late. Like it's 7 and the sun's already setting, which the first day we had dinner at like 7:45, which was good because the sun sets at like 8:15. So by the time we sit down here, it's gonna be dark. We just finished our dinner. It was a really nice place. The views were like so amazing. We had to take some photos, set up a tripod. A little embarrassing, but worth it. And now we're just enjoying the view. Our last night in Positano. How beautiful. Anton has ice cream. I have my tea because I love tea. And we head to Imola tomorrow for the race, for the F1 race. So that'll be exciting. And then we do Rome, and that'll be it for this trip.